disruptive technologies, climate change, political polarization, geopolitical instability, new ways of working. Today's challenges are unprecedented, and they're killing off companies that lack the imagination to turn them into opportunities. You can't win today by thinking in the same old ways. Indeed, the very process of strategy making must change. The business heroes for tomorrow won't be those that stay sequestered in their boardrooms. Lone strategists will miss the weak signals and fail to rally the troops. To take control over their company's futures, leaders must do something revolutionary. They must open the C-suite, harness the wisdom of the crowd, mobilize your workforce by enabling them to shape strategy. Barclays, Adidas, Unilever, Telefonica and the US Navy helped to pioneer this approach. You can do it as well. Learn more about this in our new book,